Hey, welcome back everybody. Little different scenery, but enough of you have asked what my thoughts are on the GoPro 7 Black that, well, we're about to put this guy to work. So, we just took some footage. He's going to go for a jog, a bike ride. We're just driving down the road, just different things. I'm not going to get into all the technical specs on this because I'm not a big techie guy. So I'd probably stumble all over myself trying to explain it to you. However, this GoPro 7 will shoot in 4K, and it's also got a system called Hypersmooth. So we want to see when you're jogging, when you're riding a bike, when you're driving down the road, how smooth is this thing really going to be? And so far, I'm really liking this. I got this for Christmas, so that was awesome. And we're going to use this a lot for some B-roll footage on upcoming projects we got going on. So let's get this on, get to work. Up next, a quick jog.
Oh, there you go, Dad.
So this is actually being filmed and recorded, audio and everything, on the GoPro 7 Black, and I don't know what it's going to sound like right now.
Hopefully good.
Quite frankly, I don't even know if we're in the frame. But it does have a nice little panel on the back that you can see everything that you're recording. But for, for vlogging or doing whatever you want to do with it, well, we'll see what this looks like. But as far as getting out and hunting with it, just hiking, kayaking, whatever you're doing, this thing's totally weatherproof, so it's pretty cool. So I just want to give you guys just a quick view of this thing, just with me holding it and seeing what it looked like to you guys. So I'm going to switch this over to 4K real quick, and we'll see what 4K looks like. Okay, so I've switched this over to 4K now, and I'll put these images side by side here so you can kind of see just the video difference. But we're in 4K right now. And this will shoot way lower than 4K too. Now, the Hypersmooth does not work in 4K, at least not on mine. Maybe they'll come out with an update, but who knows. Anyways, this is what it looks like. So, well, I hope it looks good.
Me too.
Okay, so he's been out jogging, bike riding, just running around the neighborhood, and so far I think this looks really good. So, final thoughts after reviewing a lot of the footage that we shot, not only today, but other days as well. We've had this, since Christmas, so we've had some time to play around with it. What do you think?
It's great. The audio is great.
The audio is better than I thought.
Yeah.
Especially for being totally waterproof. It doesn't have to go in a case. The GoPro itself is just totally waterproof, so so I think that's a good thing.
It has great stability.
Yeah, the stability on that thing is awesome. I was really surprised. And when he was running, he was intentionally bouncing, just trying to, see what that thing would do. Good there. The 4K footage, the 2.7K footage, on down. So, you be the judge. It's up to you, but, they run, I've seen them anywhere from like $360 to $400, so we'll link them below. And well, that's my thought. Again, the techie stuff, you guys have to read all that yourself. I'm not your guy. Building rifles, I'm your guy. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.